I'm dipping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, y'all, let's get into it. Back in the back of the garage. Oh shit, man. I was trying to see what I knocked off the list from yesterday, but the water pump wasn't even on the list for Badass Yellow Boy, so that's kind of inconvenient. So let's get into today's task, which also isn't on the board. So as you can see, K&N. So this one is for, you guessed it, the Ram. So this one's for the Ram. The Ram don't really have many upgrades at all. Hasn't gotten much. Came into conception, or our well, you could say conception, you could say our possession. But yeah, since we got the Ram, it really hasn't got any upgrade at all. First got it, tinted the windows. Tinted the windows, put a bed cover on it. Upgraded the interior speakers. I did put the pedal commander on there, but other than that, there was nothing. Other than that, is nothing that was really done. The last upgrade was the pedal commander. That was probably a couple years ago now. So this, it's the daily driver. It definitely doesn't get as much attention as the other cars. But today, we're gonna give it a little bit of love. Now, originally, I did want to go with the S&B. I did want to go with the S&B setup, cold air intake, but honestly, man, it just came down to what I was able to get for the best price. And because I was able to get the K&N through my job, I was able to pay a little bit less than retail. So that's where we at. So let's go open up the box and go from there. It's a cold air intake. Should be pretty straightforward, pretty simple. We'll get some connectors over, some hoses over, but it's basically gonna replace this right here, this box. And go from there. So alright, so in the box, unboxing, if you will. So you got the installation instructions. The K&N hose or points. Now, it's different for me because I'm not gonna lie to you, I usually buy the eBay kits, but we went a different route this time. I'm back at runaway park. So I'm gonna do everything I'm supposed to do as far as walking directions. And we're gonna get this thing in style. I'll touch y'all back on. Alright, so everything is out of the box as needed. And get our little keying in sticker. It ain't official till you got that sticker on there. I guess it's fitting because I got the keying in air oil filter on my trunk. I'm a register and all that good stuff. And then I guess I'll put this under the desk. Even though I'm the only person. Who don't like giggles? It's a little chilly out here today. I still plan to get on that bike though. Take this sticker right here. And we're gonna put that. That sticker right there. Boom, stop. Time to start. Another sticker. But yeah, test drove it. Seems, it drives fine. I have my pedal in there. Maybe I'll do another video where I'll turn it up to Sport Plus mode and give it the beans. Overall, man, the trucks that I had it brand new with 17. Just trying to give it a little bit of love, a little bit of affection, a little bit of upgrades. You know what I'm saying? Almost time for some tires. Those be coming. got them one set of tires. They just sitting back there in the back. But honestly, like I said, I like the look of these tires. So that's why I want to kind of maybe go with another set of those. But I might just get the highway joints. Truck's gonna truck though.